Hi everyone, my name is Vera and I'm in primary 4. Today I'm going to share with you a problem sum that I have solved. Let's get started. Elaine had some sweets. When she ate 27 of them and gave 36 sweets to her brother, she had 27 of the sweets left. How many sweets did she have at first? Now we will draw a model with 7 units. Now you must be thinking, why 7 units? Well, that's because both fraction denominator has the number 7. So we will draw 7 units. You will need a model ruler. Now, the question says, Elaine ate 27 of the sweets. So we will shade 2 units and label it 8. Now, the question also said that Elaine had left 27 of the sweets after she gave 36 sweets to her brother. So we will label 2 units as left. Next, the model has 3 units left and 36 sweets has not been covered. So it leaves to 36 here. So as you can see now, 1, 2, 3 equals to 36. So that will be equal to 3 units. Now, this will be the easy part to find 1 unit. 1 unit will just have to divide it by 3. That will give us 1 unit. And that will give us 12. But that's not the answer. They are asking us how many sweets she had at first. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. And that will be how much she had at first. So 7u is 12 times 7. And that will give us our answer. And our answer will be 84. So 84 sweets is the answer. Thank you.